That's the free.
Fried onion.
Yeah. I was gonna say pickles.
Pickles. Yeah, those are so good.
That's what I was thinking about too.
Manger. Poule free.
Poule pays.
Poule pays.
Free.
Bet.
I was thinking of food. Tasso.
Tasso free.
Ça c'est free.
Okay. Haiti. Now you're omitting me towards the end.
Mon drapeau. I was gonna say popo. You know what I said? Mon drapeau, popo. Mon joli petit drapeau.
That's a good one. Domino. Domino.
Yeah, like when the person loses and then they have to stem.
Yeah,
like,
you finish it.
Okay. I was gonna say compy, but it had nothing to do with it.
Shit, compy, boy.
Yeah.